Blood Moons 2022 and other eclipse news. The 12 full moons in 2022 will include 2 supermoons. This is when the moon appears to be slightly bigger and brighter compared to any other full moons.
When are the eclipse seasons in 2022? There are 2 eclipse seasons in 2022, each of them bringing 1 partial solar eclipse and 1 total lunar eclipse. Eclipse season number 1, April 30th, 2022. Partial solar eclipse. Parts of Chile, Argentina, and Antarctica will get the best views. May 16th, 2022. Total lunar eclipse, best seen in eastern North America and South America. Eclipse season number 2, October 25th, 2022. Partial solar eclipse. Europe and the Middle East will get the best views. November 7/8, 2022. Total lunar eclipse, best seen in western North America and the Pacific. When is the next blood moon total lunar eclipse 2022? It's on Sunday, May 15th and into Monday, 2022, when a 100% reddish blood moon will be visible in North America for 84 minutes.
Countdown to 2022 will have an 84-minute blood moon eclipse for North America.
May 16 of this year, which is second Passover, we will have a blood moon eclipse.
It is totally safe to watch a lunar eclipse with naked eyes and poses no harm whatsoever. So bring your friends and family to your backyard to enjoy the wonderful astronomical event.
What are the dates for the next blood moons in 2022? May the 15th and the 16th. Blood moons for 2022. And here are the types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, and prenuptial. Let's watch this animation of the May 16, 2022 upcoming eclipses.
Sometimes called a wedding ring eclipse, because an annular eclipse is when the moon is relatively farther and therefore smaller appearing than the sun, so it seems to fit completely within the area, the projected apparent area of the sun, and then you can see that wedding ring around. So that it would be an annular eclipse. So most of these eclipses you see are going to be totals or annulars, but there are a couple exceptions. There is one prenumbral eclipse, and that's on May 5th, 2023. And then there are a couple partial eclipses way out in 2029, 2030, as well as 3 of the partials which occurred in 2018, 2019, which you can see there on the left. And there are 3 of them which were very near total. Okay, for example, the eclipse on November 19, 2021, which was actually a very long eclipse, was very, very, very close to total, but not quite. So technically it would have to be considered a partial. Okay, but most of them are total or annular. Now again, we have this middle eclipse on May 15th and 16th, May 16th of this year, which is second Passover. So there it is. You can see the symmetry, and
The Hebrew calendar is based on the lunar cycle, and this Hebrew biblical calendar starts with a day that begins with dusk and ends with dusk. Let's go back over the eclipse season cycles, 1 and 2. An eclipse never comes alone. A solar eclipse will always occur about 2 weeks before or after a lunar eclipse. Hope you enjoyed this presentation.